The second show I want to do would be called Brand Pride. And this show would require me to have 3 people, 3 actors. And basically, what this show would be is the 3 of us would each have one of the big American brands. There'd be General Motors, Ford Motor Co., and Chrysler Incorporated. And we'd each set out and there'd be 2 different aspects to the show. We would go out and we would all buy the one company's version of a car. For instance, my idea for the first episode would be K-cars. So the General Motors guy would go out and he would get an 80s Chevrolet Impala. The Ford guy would go out and he would get an 80s Ford LTD. And the Chrysler guy would go out and he'd get like a 1980s Dodge Diplomat. So we'd all have these identical cars from different companies, and then we would compare them to see which car performs better, which car's more reliable, which car was a better price. Like, just completely road test these cars, and we'd be road testing them on a road trip, where we would do drag racing, where we would try to take them to a track, where we'd smash them into each other, where we would test the fuck out of these cars. And every episode would be a different set of cars. So the first episode would be K cars. And then the next episode we'd all set out and was like, what's the best car you can get for $5 grand? And the GM guy would buy the best General Motors car he can find for $5 grand. The Ford guy would buy the best Ford car for $5 grand. And the Chrysler guy would get the best Dodge or Chrysler or Plymouth or Jeep he could get for $5 grand. And then we would compare them to see which brand gives you the best car for that amount of money. And that's what this show would be. It would be all about basically the banner and comparing these cars and just having a good old time, smashing them up. And this is something I really want to do, but you need a crew. Like, this isn't something I could fake, because it'd be really stupid if I did it all on my own. So that's something that I would 100%, I would need to have a group of guys helping me out in order to do it. And that's why that idea would come after Budget Gear. Like, if Budget Gear got successful enough that I had some extra money to fund Brand Pride, then that's what I would do, and I would take that extra money, I would hire a couple more actors. And I'm even open, like, with Budget Gear, I'm going to be a part of it, no matter fucking what. I'm going to be the main guy, because that's something I want to do for fun, not just to make videos. I want to do it for fun. But with Brand Pride, I would totally be open to, like, I direct and operate the camera and just get 3 actors that all work really well with each other to fucking do the driving and the acting. I would totally be okay with that. So, like I said, this is something I really want to do. Like, I've always been a fan of writing. I like directing. I like TV. This is something I really want to do. So, I'm like this is what I would like my career to be. I know YouTube, it's not actually TV. I'm not going to be a millionaire or even successful at it. It's something that I really want to do, and it would be really nice if it could just pay for itself. I don't need to make money off of it, but it'd be nice if, like, just my Budget Gear videos were so popular that they gave me enough ad revenue that I could start my Brand Pride show. But yeah, like, this is what I really want to do. So again, like I said with my Budget Gear video, please comment on this video. Tell me what you think. Does it sound like a good idea? Does it sound like something you would watch? Does it sound really stupid? Does it sound gay? Like, please comment and tell me what you think, because I really want to know.